this video, we're going to explore the cost of living in the Dominican Republic, a Caribbean island with a population of 10.8 million people, of which approximately 3 million live in Santo Domingo, the capital city. The official language of the country is Spanish. The island is shared with Haiti and provides two entirely different cultures. The distance from Miami, Florida to the Dominican Republic is 781 miles. The average cost of airfare round trip is around $240 with an average of 2 hours and 20 minutes of flight time. So the island is relatively close to the United States. Not as close as the Bahamas, but close. American Airlines is the dominating carrier between Miami and Santo Domingo. The average salary for the locals is $770 a month. Therefore, it appears that you can live very well on Social Security or a low monthly retirement income. If you need to earn extra income while retired, stay tuned for my new course on Udemy, Remote Jobs for Retired and Expats. $1 equals approximately 57.97 Dominican pesos. Thus, the exchange rate allows for a great retirement destination. Now let's check the actual cost of living factors. When you want to know the true cost of living in a country, one of the fastest ways is to find out the average monthly salary of the locals. However, the rent throughout the country on an international website such as Airbnb is the determining factor in monthly costs. Long-term rents on Airbnb usually include utilities and internet. Thus, the rates are higher than the normal rents. And of course, the further outside of town you live, the cheaper the rent. In some cases, $250 a month for a one-bedroom apartment. That's what it costs. The low cost of living and the 6-month stay with only your U.S. passport makes this destination a shoo-in for digital nomads. The average internet speed is approximately 4,430 BPS. You will need a safe and reliable VPN. A link is in the description. The official language, like I said, is Spanish. English is taught in schools, and many people, especially in the tourist industry, speak English. Now, when I reviewed our most trusted cost of living method, the rents in the Dominican Republic, I found a number of rents below $600. And an even better quality of rents between $600 and $1,000 a month, meaning the island rents are affordable. The weather is great, except there are hurricanes. But don't worry, over 10 million people deal with the weather each year. As the weather basically has a tropical climate, hot all year round, with a hotter season from May to October. Overall, this channel recommends the Dominican Republic for retirement and for digital nomad long-term stays. The island is relatively safe. However, the sudden deaths of tourists in 2019 caused a lot of bad publicity. I might remind you that these deaths only occurred in tourist hotspots, mostly hotels. So pack your bags and check out Dominican Republic for a low-cost retirement option.